Okay, for video number 4, the website I'm going to be using is a website called Fit. It's another one that's going to be targeted towards other educators, particularly physical educators in my school district or anywhere for that matter. The purpose of this is to just find new ways to teach and use technology, and this is just basically giving us ideas and activities and games that help with our students, which I think is important. And I think for this particular assignment, it's kind of hard to find a lot of websites that we can use to our students, which is something I want to do. We just use YouTube all the time. Obviously, I could talk about that all day. There's so many resources in YouTube, but for this one, there's all kinds. I've scrolled through here already and looking at a lot of this, but there's different games and different activities and stuff. And so a lot of these we could be using for like instant activities again. This just gives you all kinds of ideas. So and a lot of these are right up my alley as far as grades go. A lot of really good stuff. The standards that I'm going to use for this are going to be the same as video number 3 about with OpenPE. 2E, share lessons learned, find best practices. So this would just be another a resource for me to share with coworkers and co-teachers. And then the other one would be 3C, which is to inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration. So by me finding this, it'd be innovative for our physical education classroom, just because we don't use this website, and a lot of this stuff would probably be new to us. And then also just by like collaborating and letting my other teachers know about it, and just talk to them and get their ideas and thoughts. This one's cool. I really like this one. It's got a lot of cool stuff for us, a lot of different games that I've never heard of. This would be a great one again for our activity, or our instant activity. And then looking over here, there's things to get them going, or even as they leave the classroom, get them settled down before they're, where they're all amped up after leaving our classroom. I'm sure some of our actual classroom teachers would appreciate that.